Dear customer, Ruichi Hardware is a one-stop hardware supplier with 20 years of factory production experience and 10 years of online service in Alibaba. We have realized the one-stop OEM and ODM services from product design, mold making, material sorting, production line, packaging, and quality inspection to door delivery. To provide satisfactory products and services for customers in 20 countries around the world, we have registered our own trademark in China, United States, Australia, and some major marketing countries, and achieved global branding. We received a lot of praise, trust, and continuous cooperation from old and new customers. We are specialized in the production and sales of wood connector series products that including post entry, joist hanger, nail plate, web truss, matting plate, angle bracket, hurricane tie, and strap tie. Very good management system and ISO quality system certification that to ensure project quality and after-sales service. Welcome to visit our factory for business. Our excellent sales team responds quickly to provide you professional service.